And for the big moment, we got the iPhone 16 Plus. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You know, it's a girl Ona, and today, as you can see by the title, you know what we're going to do. So if you want to see what's gonna happen, just keep on watching. So right now we're going to do some unboxing of my gifts for my birthday, and I just want to say thank you to all the persons that give me, that told me happy birthday, that wished me happy birthday and all. If you never give a gift, that's fine, because you know that's fine. Me not keep crucify nobody over giving me anything, because yeah, honestly, life work as it relates to, and every birthday I will get something from people and whatever, you know. It's just whatever, it's cool. As it relates to the persons that give me, I just really want to say thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I don't know what's in the gifts as yet, but I know you guys must have put effort in the gift, I hope. Yeah, because I don't know more. For people know what I want, because I let people know that I'm interested in these stuff, and you know, yeah. Also, you guys might, I'm not sure, yeah, you might see a next clip, or of course you're gonna see a next clip of me unboxing other gifts in this video, because I'm gonna get all I'm give them right now. So I'm gonna go wait until I get the next gift them for do a next clip, so I can have it in this video. But for right now, I think I have most of the gifts that I should get, yeah, from my friends and family, and yeah. So let's start off with money first. Money, as it relates to birthday money, I received $10,000 from my brother O'Shane. Yeah, he sent it to my account, so I'm just going to put the picture right here. He sent it to my account and stuff. So that was my pre-birthday gift. My baby, my husband, he sent me 10K. Also, I'm going to put it right here. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, O'Shane. I received $5,000 from my auntie. Yeah, 5,000 cash. Like, she sent it through Western Union, and my mother, what you call it, withdraw it or whatever them do at Western Union. She gets it from me, and you know, yeah. So I have the cash. Yeah, thanks to the people that might give my money. Yeah. Physical gifts. I'm going to start with these. I received some clothes. They were in a gift bag, but it tear, so I had to take them out and stuff. It got wet, and you know, the bag tear. The clothes didn't get wet, but the bag wet. So yeah, I threw away the bag. But I received some clothes from my boss, right? And I received these, some cluster lashes with some press-on nails, because I'm a nails girly. I do nails and stuff, so I received these. So yeah, cluster lashes. You know, honestly, my cluster lashes, them one here where I use, I set here, like, they didn't come in, I'm a finish, right? So me say, I would need some more cluster lashes, right? And I received some fluffy ones. They're really fluffy. 80B plus 100D kit fluffy, as it says right down here. Them fluffy, and you know, received band and seal and a tweezer, and as I said before, some press-on nails. Clothes now. So I received these shorts. Cute. Look at it. Drop in a body business. Cute. At first I see them shorts here. Nice. You know, small and extra small and petite. I received this crop top. Yeah, I'm a crop top girl. It's cute. With a little hair. So I received these skirts also. So this pink mini one and this white one. Crop top blouse, well, a crop top, sleeveless, and 2 palazzo gym tights. So this color and this color. So thanks to my boss for these. Yeah, moving on to the next. We're going to do this one. Oh god, guys. So, by the way, this gift is from Chanel Browning. She gave me this for my birthday. And guess what, guys? This is the slipper. Look at it, it's so cute. Dior. Yeah, guys. And funny enough, I posted this in my CF, in my close friends, because I saw this purple looking one and this one, and I said you guys can add these to my birthday list, and she got me them nice, cute and girly. Thanks, Chanel. Sorry, thank you, Chanel. Ooh. Next gift. This is from my mommy. This package is from my mommy. This will get one handbag. So this is a handbag. Yeah, you know, guys, but it said but I go buy one handbag. This never did for my birthday, listener. Like me personally, I go buy one handbag and stuff. Call me and say my handbag a mash up, right? I'm gonna say more one new handbag. So I'm gonna go buy one handbag. But do I need to buy it anymore? So we got the Michael Kors NK handbag, black. We got a little purse that comes in it. Yeah. And this is the inside. See to the tag here. Michael Kors. Yeah. So this is the inside, very spacious. Yeah, I like my handbag spacious. I like can bring out in my handbag. Literally. Yeah. Bossy, don't it, guys? Yeah. Bossy be. Bossy. Bossy.
Boss.
Bossy. Yeah, guys. So This is from mommy. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to buy a handbag. I'm a little charm that comes with the bag. I'm gonna have to buy a handbag. So I have a handbag right here. Okay. Thank you, mommy. This now is from Brittany. And let's see what Brittany got us. Yeah, because you guys are my family. Let's see what Brittany got us. My dear. Ooh, it's a perfume. I'm a perfume girly, guys. So I received a perfume, guys. So we're gonna smell it. Kung unbox ito na. Ooh. Smells soft and girly. Babe. Come here.
Smell like powder.
Yeah, it smells soft like powder, and it just have this raspberry smell to it, like fruits, but it smells like powder. It smells good. Love it. Wait, yeah, it's nice. The package in the box, is nice. So I put this back in the box. Thank you, Brittany. This is so nice. Love it. It angle, Brittany. I don't know, me is a perfume girl, so I go crazy over perfumes. So yeah, perfume.
You ain't even gotta impress me. If the main goal is to undress me, that's the only thing that I'm addressing. At the Hollywood like you inventing, as if you wasn't eating me for breakfast. Stop talking to me, listen when I'm venting. I'm the one who mess up on your bedding. You're pointing fingers at me like I'm selfish. Would you only call me when you're alone?
Alright, last but not least for right now, this is Baba's gift to me. Yeah, so guys, I already pretty much know what was my gift, to be honest, because it was the only thing I asked him for this year, and I can pretty much see what's in the bag, but I'm gonna show you what in the bag. Right, so we're gonna start off small. So we have some privacy screen protectors. Wait, I want to see what up at the top. We have some privacy screen protectors, right? Yeah. We have a, I want to see what they right here, so till my show now. We have a MagSafe phone case. You can eventually, you're not gonna eventually know, because you know most know iPhones. We have a MagSafe phone case. Yeah, from Apple. Look, it's from Apple. Where tear off back and bag a thing. Them girl in a tear off. What you call it? Wait, go. Them girl in a tear off what?
Them not peel off.
Them not peel off. Them girl nah peel off. I be a second hand things them have. Yeah. And for the big moment, we got the iPhone 16 Plus. Pink at that.
Pink, pretty pink, 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 pretty pink.
Clap that, clap that, clap, 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 clap at that. Yeah. Them girl na peel off. Them girl na peel off. Yeah. So this is from my baby, and you know, this is pretty much a dream phone, to be honest. A pink phone. That's a dream phone for anybody that loves pink, right? Exactly. So thanks to my baby so much. Thanks to him for making it possible to gift me the one thing I asked him for. Yeah, thank you so much, baby. We're gonna unbox it now. We're gonna see my brand new phone. Tracks. Wanna see that? Beautiful pink. You know, we have a little card. We have a charger, the card, and stuff. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, guys, ready? When ready, guys, peel off settings in a good. Peel off, come. Let's turn it on.
Suppose Samsung didn't come up.
Well, we'll see the.
Turn around the phone so before you see what come out.
No, they would have catch it on camera and just viral the moment. Literally. Come, now watch. Hello, it's your girl Ona, and today we're back with our next video. Yeah, be you anger that. Slide up on beer things, put it in English, and it's Jamaica. Say it as Jamaica though. Or US.
Yes, please.
Oh, I like it like that. Yeah, this is the writing. I write in this though. Yeah, I like it small. So yeah, guys, I will that. Love it. Go put that. Go the phone case. Peel off. Peel off. My dear.
My dear.
Why? set up video for nobody, guys. Okay, guys, so the case is here. Let us drop the phone in the case.
Don't drop the phone.
In the case. You never hear me say drop the phone alone. Drop the phone in the case. Watch the bad go bad.
Watch ya. And though them dead again, them not dead again. I be a dead girl.
B, look for the phone. B, watch ya. Mag CF. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, baby. B, put in the password for me. So yeah, guys, I'll read that for right now. Clap that. Love my gifts. Love all my gifts. As I said before, when I see I come back again and unbox some more, so just stay tuned for that one. Okay, guys. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you guys that this was also a gift from Baba, and yeah, he gave it to me before because he knew I would want to use it, so I was using it over the weekend for my birthday vlog. So this is a, what do you call it, what do you call it?
Gimbal.
This is a gimbal tripod. My dear, try with the dress. This is a gimbal, right, guys? And yeah, so it moves, it stabilizes the phone whenever I'm videoing or whatever, and it lights up at the back right here. Yeah, so yeah, by the way, as it relates to the phone, them girl and I get manual. Last time I checked, them girl and I get manual. Exactly. And for my gimbal, them girl and I get manual. I get manual. Exactly. So yeah, you have to step up in the game. You have to tell your partner say step up in the game. Yeah.
Okay, don't make the man eat me now, just...
No, them I go eat you know.
Yeah.
Them I go eat you. Them have to try be like you, or you're the better. Be like you or be less, but not better than mine. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So I'll get back to you guys with the other gifts. Hey guys, so today is my birthday. I still
Sit around the king time. Everybody should see, everywhere should go. Today is her birthday. It is my princess. Come get the crown. Give me a kiss. And tell me now, today is what?
my birthday.
Yes.
So I received one of my birthday gifts from a friend. So I still have one more to get from her, but I don't think I'm going to. Should I put it in the video?
You're not getting that anytime soon, she said.
Yeah, she said I'm not going to get it anytime
It's
soon.
into the wrong address.
So I'm just going to, yeah, I'm just not gonna see that. But she said it's something that has to do with nails. So let's see what my baby got me.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more?
So she got me cute little purple heart charm for my Pandora bracelet. What AI did you say, B? Purple hearts, stuff. So you know this is gonna go on my Pandora bracelet.
Purple, everything, a soldier.
Yeah, it's all love. Thank you so much, Ariel. I'll catch you guys back when
I have more gifts to show you guys.
Okay guys, so these are some other birthday gifts that I received from my baby, my husband, my boo. Love you so much. Thank you very much, baby. Anyways guys, so for the phone, as you can see that he gave me for my birthday, he purchased some phone cases, screen protectors, and screen protectors and some charger accessories. So as it relates to the charger accessories, we have these. So cute, and it comes with these little small ones right here, and this one to go around the card. So yeah, nice. As it relates to the screen protector, we have some glow in the dark, supposedly dark screen protectors. So it comes in this box. It's a glass screen pro premium tempered. So I'm not sure if it's dark screen, but yeah, it's glow in the dark. If in a dark screen, it's whatever, but yeah, love it. And as for the phone cases, we have this cheetah print pink. Nice. Him not love cheetah print, but him know me like cheetah print, so him buy it for me. And we have this junk pink case one. Yeah. And our next one there. And we have a camera guard. I totally forgot about this one. Let me show you guys what it looks like. We got a cute camera guard. So cute. Love it. It's pink. Pink glitter like. So with the phone cases, as you can see, it don't look like that type of phone case here. It don't have this little look around it because more access or put on the camera guard. Cause if I have a phone case will look like this, it will bulge up in the phone case. The phone will bulge up because of the camera guard. So me don't want a phone case to look like this because I need to have a camera guard. Right guys? Right. So they're so cute. I love them so much, and thank you baby so much. Mwah.
Hey guys, so this is a gift from myself to myself. So as you can see here, I'm currently unboxing the package, and yeah.
This is a cushion for the next item. Let's see how it look. Nice. Bossy. So yeah, me and Baba now I go unbox the next big package and set it up. Afterwards, when me buy this, guys, I see the dog one, because this is a cat one. I must see the dog one after. But I think this one look better than the dog one. It have a little armrest thing right here, so I'm gonna think the dog one have that. But it's cute and nice.
Intoxicated and inebriated. alright tonight. I got some leisure, it's your thing. You throw in the morning. My body's calling you just feel that so leave the room. Like you always do. I never needed you. I just wanted you to love me, but trust me, but nothing about me, just put your heart in my hands, yeah. Let me make all the plans, let me make all the plans tonight.
So this is what the chair is looking like. Love it. It's cute. It was an easy setup. Really nice. The attachments, the reclines, and it's really comfortable. We have this additional piece here. Flip on over and push back under. You can pull it out. You flip this over. So yeah, and this is the cushion that I showed to you guys. So this is the cushion. Right, it's nice. So it has the pieces that you can just tie onto whatever underneath. You have the pieces, and you have this where you can just put on the back. So you know it's attached now. Well, I put it on the back. You have the extra cushion around here, one for the neck, and this if I feel like I want to have it there. You know, cute and girly. I choose a black because other colors will be easy to get dirty, and you know, I love black and pink and white. See, white and pink and black and pink. It's a cat one. I love it so much. Hey guys, so today is a new day, and today is also the last day of me unboxing my birthday gifts. Okay, so we have the last gift. See how big it is? Cute. So this gift is from Kayla, my sister. I met her at Distinction College. Yeah, and that's like about, I don't know, a couple years ago. And this is the note on the back. So it says, "Happy birthday to you, boo. You have become more than a friend and more like my sister. I wish you all the best in life, and I pray you get all your heart desires. Keep being the amazing person you are. Love you, hon." I love you too, girl. Thank you so much, girly. Anyways, so I got unboxed now, okay guys? So we'll take off the little wrapper then from our sides. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, no, know me love pink already. Who knows? Oh, know me love pink already. So anything me get in a pink, it's gonna be tea, right? Furthermore, this is a cute Coach bag. Cute. Love it. It's nice. Oh no, look. Wanna see how this cute? What better than this? What is better than this? This is cute. You know, check out this. They have extra straps, the long straps, and thingy. Yeah. Coach tag. The little thing there. I don't know, the accessories or whatever. Yeah, it's cute. I love it. It's nice. It's really nice. I love it. I forgot go. Baba forgot bring me out track. Baba forgot bring me out so I can wrap my Coach bag car. What? Yeah, it nice. Next gift from the gift bag. A territory. So, and also there is Aflan seduction. Period. So, no. There are also videos on my page with perfumes. So who know that I love, these are my calling. I love perfumes, right? So backstory to these, right? Bear in mind, me never know me I get them here, because I said I was gonna get these for myself because I love this. I've had this so many times. I even got a gift from Kayla for my last birthday, one of these, literally, cause I love it. And once me get it done. So this are my favorite perfume. I would say it's my favorite perfume because I've owned this quite a number of times, literally. Think like 1, 2, 3, and this I gonna make my 4th time. Yeah. So I said I was gonna get one of these for myself again because I love it. Clearly, I'm not have to buy about one of them here for now until it done, cause I got it for my birthday. And also the territory, the pink one, I said I was gonna purchase all 3 of them. Literally, I was gonna purchase all 3 of them, the female one, the pink, the white, and the black, because I've owned all 3 before, and I think I've owned this twice before this again, literally. Also, or probably 2 times, or probably once, either twice, and this is gonna make my 3rd time, or either this is gonna make my 2nd time. But I say I'm gonna purchase 3 at the 3 types, and I don't have to purchase this one, cause look, I have it. Yeah, girl, yeah, I'm them gift, yeah. I love them so much. Thank you so much, Kayla. Kayla at that. That's her right name, but you know we call her Kayla cause Kayla shortened for Makayla. Yeah, girl, yeah, I'm good. And I love my gifts. All of my gifts from, guys, don't pay the euro no mind. I love all of my gifts from before to today. Yeah, all I'm gonna give them tea. They're perfect. I love every single one of them. There's not one of my gifts that I hate. Well, maybe if me hate it, more to tell me, but literally, I'm not even capping. There's not one of my gifts that I hate. Not even one. You get what I say? They're mad, cute, girly, sexy, everything from phone to clothes to jewelry. Cause where is it? This is one of the gifts, the jewelry, the what am I saying, the charm for my Pandora bracelet. It's a purple heart, not one. What else I got? Slippers, handbag, this cute bag also, a little handbag, a work handbag. What else I got? Accessories for my phone. What else I got? Perfume. Where's the other one? Oh, this one, this perfume. So you know I got 3 perfumes on my birthday, right? So yeah, I probably not remember some more of them when I get, but yeah. Oh, my chair that I got myself, and this. There's not one gift that I hate. Why would I hate my gifts? Right? Yeah, guys. So I just want to say thank you, guys. All of my friends and my family. Oh, the money then. Who hate money? Who would hate money? Money is tea. So yeah, that's a part of the gifts also. Anyways, I just want to say thank you, guys, so much to my friends and my family. Thank you guys so much for my gifts. Thank you guys for making my 21st birthday special. And I just want to give you guys kisses and hugs.
XOXO. Gossip.
anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned for another video. Bye.
Slowly compact, speeding up the heartbeat, banging in my chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so hot, taking deep, deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You got me so turned up. You still gotta be so high. We don't